Good afternoon, Chef Steele here. So we're going to be doing a series of how to grow tomatoes, absolutely the biggest tomatoes, and I'll be sharing that with you. There's a lot of tips and tricks that I use. So the first one I want to show you is that I do ferment my seeds. So once I remove the flesh from the tomato with the seeds, I put it in a small jar of water, leave it there for 3 or 4 days. I dry it out, strain it, then dry out the seeds. Once the seeds then are dry, then I plant them randomly in the garden. So what I mean by randomly, I've seen organic gardeners plant 400 seeds and select 18 of the strongest seedlings and things like that. I don't agree with that. So what I do is I let Mother Nature sort it out for me. And by meaning that, what I will do is scatter the seeds in the garden. You can see here that they've been scattered. They are the baby tomato seedlings. The strongest ones will survive. What will happen is once they have a couple more leaves, I will, about 10 centimeters high, I will move them into then small pots, and then I will be keeping them in the pots until I transplant them around the garden. So that way only the strongest seedlings survive, and I've done that 3 or 4 times this season. I've got a lot of different tomatoes growing around in the garden. I'll be showing you some of those. Most of them are already coming into flower, some already have fruit on. So it's quite exciting, and what we will be doing is really boosting them up, lots of organic fertilizer to really get them going, and a bumper harvest this year. So thank you so much for watching. I'll show you more around the tomatoes.